Hello guys, I'm Sasha and you're watching Hot Yours. So we just witnessed the most amazing collection by designer Gavin and of course the showstopper Kangna. How did you feel walking for Gavin again? Because I think that was an amazing collection. We love the dress that you're wearing today.
Um, I'm glad you said that because I said the same thing to him backstage, and I feel every time I see his collection I fall in love, and it's not because he's a friend, it's true, and you agree that these were the most beautiful designs, and everyone I was looking at him, I was telling my designer, my manager, this one I want for next red carpet, this one I want for next. So she we'll go through the whole collection, ma'am, don't worry. So I think it's so beautiful, and what I really relate with is the fact that he makes women look beautiful but very strong and very empowered and very opinionated. Like he always has these very, like my character in Krish 3, so he designed that character, and I think the same way today, it's just not about looking beautiful. Like his silhouette allows it to be a bit flowy, and at the same time the top is so structured and so armor like, it's more like a warrior, like heavenly warrior, something like that.
Gavin, what do you keep in mind when you design an outfit for Kangna? Because even last year, like I told you, you always make her look like a angel, and today as well I think it's a fantastic work that we are seeing on her.
Thank you very much for the compliment. I think that Kangana just epitomizes womanhood in a very strong way, and I think I would not be able to pencil down anything that is super soft because she's such a strong woman herself. So I think there's a great balance of softness and yet a very strong silhouette. So I like to blend both these elements together, and voila, then you have Kangana.
Right, how do you feel, Kangna, now that the show has got over? Were you nervous that time? Were you excited to see his outfit, that he's designed for you?
I was very excited, and you always feel nervous before the show because anything can happen. It's very spontaneous. It's not like movie making where you can do a retake or you can correct things. If you trip, you can't correct, you can't go back. And I don't know how would I behave if I trip, I'll be like, sorry. So these are the thoughts that always come to you just before you're about to go. But when it ends, you do miss it, and you wish that you weren't so nervous and you would have enjoyed it more. And I'm missing the whole music and the excitement just before that. Yeah.
Okay, before we let you go, the hairstyle, because you have really nice curls. How do you experiment with it? In fact, your wife has given this amazing hairdo to Kangna.
I think the credit goes to Caroline. She's very experimental, and like she's also very strong as a woman, and she wanted to give me this sharp bob, and she'd done her research very well. She told me that you'd had bob in Krish, but that was different, and in fashion was more like one side long. So this is something you've not done before. So I was very impressed that she's done her research well. So I think it's a work of all the artists which comes together and then makes a perfect look.
Right, totally. I agree with you. And Gavin, I think that was a fantastic show. Thank you so much, Kangna and Gavin, for talking to us. Stay tuned to Hot Year. We'll get you a lot more from Blenders Pride Fashion Tour 2013. Today for Blenders Pride Fashion Tour 2013, I thought of pampering myself.
Looking at your outfit and your makeup and your, just want to visualize the earrings, the beautiful earrings you're wearing. So that's why I just thought of, giving you a side sheen on. Yeah.
To get my hair and makeup done.
So, Sasha, the first thing I noticed, she's wearing a lovely black dress. Neon magenta, pink lips, and a lot of mascara.